Hello everyone, my name is Ferdinan Rusadi with student ID number 234111069, and I am from Management Class 23C. In this video, I will explain the basic concepts of population and sample, which are essential elements in statistical research and data collection. Understanding these two concepts will help us know how data is gathered and how conclusions are drawn in a research project. First, let's talk about population. In the context of research, population does not only refer to people, but it includes all subjects, elements, or events that share one or more characteristics that are being studied. A population can be large or small, depending on the scope and goals of the research. For example, if a researcher wants to study the preferences of consumers who buy coffee in Indonesia, then the population would be all coffee consumers across the country. Populations can be finite, such as all the employees of a company, or infinite, such as all possible results of rolling a dice. However, collecting data from every single member of a large population is usually not practical, and sometimes it's even impossible due to time, cost, and resource limitations. That's why researchers take a sample, which is a smaller portion of the population that is selected for actual observation and analysis. A sample should be chosen carefully, so that it accurately represents the characteristics of the population. There are several types of sampling techniques, such as random sampling, where every member of the population has an equal chance of being selected, stratified sampling, where the population is divided into subgroups before sampling, and systematic sampling, where samples are selected based on a fixed interval. Choosing the right sampling method is crucial because if the sample is not representative, then the research findings may be biased or invalid. A good sample allows us to make generalizations about the entire population with a certain level of confidence. For instance, a political survey might collect opinions from 1,000 randomly selected voters, and if the sampling is done properly, the results can reflect the opinions of millions. This is how statistics helps us make decisions, solve problems, and understand behaviors even without studying every single person or item. To conclude, population refers to the entire group that we want to study, while sample is the smaller group selected from the population to actually conduct research on. Both concepts are essential in research and are the foundation of data analysis. Without a clear understanding of population and sample, the results of any study might be inaccurate. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this explanation has helped you better understand the difference between population and sample in research.